Daddy's day off. So today is normal day for Mommy, Georgie, and Daddy. Going to the mall, have wander around, yeah, have a coffee, have a lunch. We don't bother to buy groceries today because it's not really important, because we have milk for Daddy and milk for Georgie, and we have frozen food in the freezer. So today we're gonna buy Georgie's backpack, booster seats, and yeah, lunchbox, and her trousers kasi sumisikip na yung ano niya, yung jeans niya. Kita na yung kuyukot niya. Alam mo yung sa may ano ng puwet. Kasi yan, matangkad si Georgie eh. Georgie is very tall. Kaya mabilis na tubuan yung mga damit niya. So salamat sa mga nanood sa last premiere namin. Yung kilay ko hindi pantay. Okay lang yan. Georgie, can you see Dada? Punta kami sa pinaka favorite namin na mall, Festival City. Kasi hindi siya ganun ka-crowded pag morning. And malaki yung food court nila. Tapos gustong gusto ko talaga doon gawa ng nandun yung favorite shops ko, Old Navy, Kiabi for Georgie. Tapos basta nandun lahat gusto ko. Tapos IKEA, yan.
I want to check out BISDAK&BRITISH.
And Daddy wants to check the BISDAK&BRITISH kasi
Trampoline park, indoor trampoline park.
Indoor trampoline park kasi birthday ni Georgie, August 24. Hindi namin alam kung ano pang gagawin namin kasi gawa ng bawal magpa-party. Hindi naman yung malaking party ha. Yung ano lang, friends of friends lang. So baka sa bahay lang kami, mag-decorate lang si Daddy, tapos si Daddy. Tapos ayan, bili lang ng cake. Sing happy birthday, mag-blow si Georgie. Kasi ano naman.
I can see birds.
Oh, you can see the birds. Kasi ang gift namin ni Georgie is yung tuition fee niya. That's the best gift that we can give for her birthday this year. Tuition fee for her school. Kasi ano napaka-pricey yung ano. Lahat dito talaga pricey, pero ganun talaga. So salamat Lord sa mga blessings na binigay niyo sa amin. Sana more blessings pa, at sana maging maayos pa yung trabaho ng aking asawa, at lalo na ang kanyang healthy. Where's Georgie going?
Now to shopping.
You're going to shopping?
Toothpaste for Georgie and Mommy and Daddy.
You're right. We have to buy a new toothpaste for Georgie pala. Good. You have to remind Mommy and Daddy tomorrow, okay? Okay. Good girl. And what else do you want to buy?
And buy something.
Something.
Yeah.
So-
I'm going to buy some.
So what's inside your bag?
I have so many little books.
You have so many little books.
So you can read the middle and stuff.
Look, I have pink book
You got pink book
and green book
and green book,
and
Brown book.
purple book.
Oh,
purple book. So how many books you've got in your bag?
I got 3.
3. Very good. Are you? Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Please.
Don't talk, Mommy. Mommy, don't talk.
Okay, Georgie will talk only. Okay, you talk.
I don't like to talk.
You don't like to talk.
Yes.
Look at Starbucks, Georgie. Sandwich. Go get sandwich at Starbucks. Hey, is that a Starbucks sandwich? I miss you.
Here, you go with Daddy.
You want a latte?
I'm gonna share with you.
You want a muffin?
Yeah, I want muffin and you and Georgie will share with sandwich.
Blueberry muffin, warm, please.
Georgie, don't do that, love.
2 lattes, please, small pack. Too much.
Georgie is so excited.
Yes, you're so excited.
Say, I'm so excited. I know, I want you, I want you.
Here we are then.
Yay, I took my drums.
Oh, Daddy needs that to stir me.
No, I need to put drums.
I need that to stir me coffee.
No, I need to put drums.
Okay, you stir your drums.
Let can have that.
That's Mummy's. This is for Daddy and Georgie.
Love, oh.
I can have this one, can I? You have 1 drum and I'll have 2. Oh, that's Mummy's. Where's my glass?
Georgie, guys, ayaw niyang lumabas. Kasi gusto na niya maglaro. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. Eh, may limit. May, ano sila, may oras ba? For example, 10 kids lang up to 12 o'clock. So, nagpabook kami until glass. Si Daddy, naghanap ng glass niya. Oh. Daddy. So, ayan, nagpa-register si Daddy. Look at Georgie, oh. Huh? No, not yet. We have to come back here at 12 o'clock because there's too many kids inside playing, okay? Yeah, this is Bus City. Diyan maglalaro si Georgie. BISDAK&BRITISH Freestyle Terrain Park. It's the same as your Barbie house.
Yes.
Yeah? What is it? Look at him when you talk to him, okay? pang malaki. That's the aviator. What you call that? Si Dream Arrow. Si, ayan. Pasok pa dyan sa loob. Ayan. Tapos, parang ikaw nang nagano ng airplane. Mommy, Daddy, Georgie had big fun time. You happy? Are you happy? Why not? You're tired? Mommy and Daddy tired. Do you wanna go back there? No? Do you wanna play again? No? You had enough? You had enough? Huh? We're going home na. See, pag ganyan na yung posisyon ni Georgie, ayan, matutulog na yan siya. Kasi yan yung ano niya. Sign. Oh, ayan. She got her new shoes.
You still wearing your new shoes?
Yeah, she's so lucky. She always have new every week. Wait lang, let me open it for you.
I can open it.
It's very tight. Oh, here it is.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Wait, I want orange juice.
You want what?
Orange
Do you want any?
No, that's orange. That's orange juice is for Daddy.
Do you want any, Mummy?
No, you can drink
An
it.
orange juice for Georgie.
No, Mommy will make you a fresh orange juice when we get
Do you
home.
want some of this one, Daddy? Georgie? Want to taste?
No, just
It's fizzy.
soda.
Fizzy.
It's soda.
It's soda for Daddy.
I like to have fun.
We did have fun.
I like to have fun.
We were bouncing.
It's bouncing.
Yeah, that was good fun.
That's not too fun.
Not good fun? Oh, okay, I won't take you again then. If it's not good fun, watermelons. If it's not good fun, you won't want to go again.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause.
Huh? We're relaxing on a fat boy. No, this is fat boy bin bag. Yeah.
That is old fat boy bin bag.
Who is beautiful?
I had my fat boy before. Mum.
Georgie? Why Georgie is beautiful?
Because I love this
Because
place.
your mummy and daddy's daughter.
Na-mix si Georgie. Nakuha niya yung good mix namin ni Daddy. Yung bad mix daw, iniwan namin sa hospital. Kaya yan yung result. Good mix ang nakuha ni Georgie, you know? Oh, sus. Ginoo, prebuyag. Salamat, Lord. Sa grasyang gihatag. Nakoy anak na gwapa, oy. I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.